Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down cross-attention. It's an important idea in LLM. So, what is cross-attention? Cross-attention lets the decoder attend to encoder representations in sequence-to-sequence tasks. It's one of the core ideas in LLM. Here are the key things to know about cross-attention. First, keys values from encoder, queries from decoder. Also, used in translation, summarization, T5. Another key point, masked to prevent future peaking. On top of that, multi-head for different alignments. Finally, replaced by prefix LM in decoder-only models. And that's cross-attention in simple terms. Come back for another LLM concept tomorrow.